abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. The trip hop grooves wrap around my very being. Four-place rhymes, the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.